Okay guys, I'm here to show you the steps to stake your Ghost once you purchase some Ghosts. So I'm going to assume you guys know how to install Metamask already and transfer your Ghost there. If not, then there's plenty of videos online about how to use Metamask and how to... Anyways, I have my Ghost here and I'm going to show you a little trial. So uh, come to Aavegotchi.com. And I'm already connected my wallet, but when the first time you come here, it allows you to connect your wallet. And once you do, um, it's going to be, make sure you're on the Ethereum network. So then we want to bridge right now. If you try and stake on the Ethereum network, it says right here you can't do it anymore and you should use a Matic network. So go back here, click on the bridge. It's actually quite easy. So I'm going to transfer 91 Ghosts to the Matic network. So you just click here, back, transfer Ghost to Matic. It's going to ask you to approve. And of course, pay a fee because Ethereum wants too much money in gas. And you'll see when you start go through this process, the Ethereum network is fast or slow depending on how much network congestion there is. But once you start using the Matic network, it's super fast and super cheap. So I'm just going to pause this video here right now till it's done. Okay, once it's complete, you'll see get a little prompt here saying that your Ghost is transferred to the network. So then, once you have it transferred to Matic network, you go here and stake on Matic. And this is where you have to add the Matic network to your MetaMask. So you go to, I'll put these links in the description of the video, but you go here and you're going to enter this information in MetaMask in the RPC token area. So you go to MetaMask, look up here. See, I've already added the mainnet, but to add it, you just click Custom RPC, enter that information on the website in here, and when you're done, click Save. And once you have that, Aavegotchi is asking us now to connect to the Matic network. So you go to your MetaMask, once you have all the information entered, then you select the Matic mainnet. And you have to refresh the page. It doesn't automatically do it, so you just refresh the page. And of course, my internet's loaded APA. So now you can see that my wallet connected to a Matic network. And that, where is my Ghost? It's probably still transferring. It takes a few minutes, but it should be transferred by now. Let's pause this for a second. Okay, I'm back. It took a while to transfer from the Ethereum network to the Matic network. So once you got hit transferred on the bridge, then your Ghost is going to show up here. So all you do is click this. I assume you want to stake all of it, so it just enters all of it for you. Hit staking. Again, we get to pay more gas fees. Oh no, we're on the Matic network now. So see how cheap these are? It's less than tenths of a penny. And when you create the Matic wallet, it automatically gives you a 0.1 Matic, which is enough to do thousands of transactions. So, and that's it. That's how you stake Ghost. It's pretty simple. If you want to, when you stake Ghost, it gives you one-to-one return friends coins. But if you want to stake the Ghost Quick liquidity pool, then you get 10-to-1. So I'll show you now how to create a liquidity token. So we got, I go here, it gives you instructions. I'll put this link in the description of the video too. And we just did this easy mode now where we bridged the ghosts from the Ethereum network to Matic and then staked it. That's the easy one. But if you want to do the liquidity pool, it actually gets more rewards. They're actually paying out dollars, Ghost, and Matic for people that stake. So first we have to go to Quickswap Exchange. And you need some money there in order to buy some Quick, which is not a big problem. It's actually quite easy to transfer from the Matic wallet. You just go to the Matic wallet, connect your wallet again. Right now I have a Matic, so I'd have to switch it back to Ethereum. Ethereum mainnet. Page. So once you have Matic, get to Ethereum. So I'm on Ethereum. I don't know why it's showing them. Anyways, um, that's why. You got to click on you have Matic wallet and the Ethereum wallet option. So you click on your Ethereum wallet option, or I mean, Matic option, deposit. And then you would just transfer your ETH or USDT or whatever you have to Matic, and you just click this deposit to Matic Network, and it will send your funds from your Ethereum wallet network, to your Matic network. So once you click this, I already done this, so I'm not going to do it again. But it'll transfer it. And then once you've done that, you go to Quickswap. And Quickswap is pretty much identical to Uniswap. Again, I got to switch back to Matic Network. So it automatically, you come here and you take your, ETH or USDT, whatever you bought, moved over here. Let's say I moved ETH over. Then I want to buy some Quick. And I put Quick, and then I put, I don't have any ETH right now, so it's not showing anything, but whatever you have, it would let you buy some Quick. And you also need to transfer, I forgot to mention, when you're in your Matic wallet, to deposit some ghosts as well. So you'd go up here and you select ghost, and then you transfer how many ghosts that you want to add to the liquidity pool, hit deposit as well. And then once you're in Quickswap, it's the same thing as Uniswap is creating liquidity pool. So you click on pool, add liquidity, and then again, you've already bought in your Quick with your other fund, your USDT or your ETH. And here you would just pick your Ghost, your Quick token, and then when you have Ghost here, you hit max. It'll tell you how much Quick you need, and right here it tells you need about one Quick for 33 Ghost. And I forget what the conversion is, how much a Quick is worth. You'd have to look that up. I think it's close to $100 or a couple $100 per Quick anyway. So anyways, once you've done that, you'd hit enter amount, pay your gas fees, blah, blah, blah. And then once you have your liquidity pool tokens, then you would go back here, stake GHST, stake on Matic, and then you would have a number here, a liquidity pool tokens. And you click that, it would automatically enter it here, and you go through the same process that you did with staking just the Ghost token. So that's pretty much it. Oh, and there's one more thing. So once you stake your liquidity pool tokens here, you go back to Quickswap, and you have to stake your liquidity pool tokens here as well. So you get double rewards. You get rewards from Quickswap, and you get rewards from Aavegotchi. So that's just an extra bonus. So you don't have to come back and stake your liquidity pool tokens here, but you can and get double. So that's quite a bit. It's a lot of moving pieces, I realize, but there's some really good rewards here for this. So have a good day.